Welcome to my channel. We have a birdhouse, actually two birdhouses I will be making today using mostly Dollar Tree items. This is part of a collaboration. I'll talk about that later in the video. We'll get started with the first birdhouse. You see I have this birdhouse I purchased from Dollar Tree. It's a small one, but I'm not sure if they have bigger ones or not, but this is a smaller one. I will be using, first step, I will paint it using chalk paint, white chalk paint. Of course, that's not from Dollar Tree, but you can get paint from Dollar Tree. And I dilute it with a little water so it won't be as thick. And then I'll be playing a little music until the next section comes up. Now I will be using these glass mosaics that I got from Dollar Tree, and it comes in the colors yellow, gray, and orange, and I will be putting it on the roof of the house. And enjoy. Now I put all the glass mosaics on the top, in the front, and I put it on top of this wood bamboo cutting tray that I got from Dollar Tree. You don't have to put it on there. You can glue it on there if you want extra stability. You can put a string on there, twine to hang it up. Here is the final picture of it. I think it's awesome. And it's just a little different from your typical birdhouse. Yes, I'm part of the Talented Creators Collaboration. Our host for this month is DIY Aurelia, and host Lily D's Creations, guest host Craft Away with May, and co-host Z9 Designs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to these wonderful ladies. And in the description down below, we'll have the playlist for everyone that was part of this great collaboration. I want to give a birthday shout out to two of our wonderful talented creators. First up, we have C by CJ DIY and Lisa with Our Gray House. A happy birthday to you both for the month of May. Birdhouse number 2. I will be using, it's another Dollar Tree birdhouse. It's a little different shape. First up, I will be putting like wood circles on the top on the roof. The wood circles are also from Dollar Tree, so I will glue them and I will be back. Now that the circles are put on, I'm using the antique wax. This is a one I already made, had mixed in with a little water, and I made a mistake for some reason. It's almost coming off as brown, not as an antique wax. I'm a little disappointed, but I'm going to go with it. So, that's my mistake. And so I basically finish it using the antique wax, but it's darker than I had hoped. So, you can modify it any way you like because, right, this is your project and this is just to inspire and for you to create in your own way. I'm using, this is the grill tray that I actually got from Dollar Tree. There was 2 in a pack. I cut it. You don't even have to use pliers. It works well with scissors, so you can use your scissors. I actually just glued it on. I did use a file to try to smooth out some of the sharp edges, so be careful. And I glue each of the ends with hot glue. Of course, I have some lost footage where I actually painted the word bless. It's the wood where it says bless, also from Dollar Tree. And I will be hot gluing it on to the grill wire in front to give it a little blast. Next, I will take foam. That's my pool noodle from Dollar Tree. Yes. And then this is the foam that you get from Dollar Tree that floral designs and all that kind of stuff. Forgot the correct name of it. And then I will put it inside. I actually put a little hot glue to hold it down. And then I will put flowers. You can put any flowers you want, whatever makes you happy. I use lilac, and it's kind of like white. I'm not sure the name of it right offhand, but you've probably seen them at Dollar Tree. And I will be sticking them and creating a little design. And I'll be using twine. If I remember, I'll send a link about using the snack container to put your twine in there. And if you want to hang up this birdhouse, you can put a little twine and hang it up. It's optional. You can just put it on a counter, or you put the twine on to hang it up somewhere for you to see. And see, this is the final reveal of this birdhouse that says bless. Great. This is the final reveal of both of the birdhouse, birdhouse 1 and birdhouse 2. I really hope you enjoy these birdhouse. Hope it inspire you to create your own birdhouses for this summer, spring time of year. Make sure you go and watch everyone on the playlist in the description box down below. And like I always say, be blessed until the next time, and be better than yesterday.